I will show you in this video how to activate and set up your transaction password. I insist that the transaction password must be different from the password you use to access your Validus account. The transaction password will be used to secure your funds movements inside and outside your Validus account. First of all, open our Validus account. Enter your username, then your password, and then enter the CAPTCHA. If the CAPTCHA is unreadable, you can have another one by clicking on Refresh CAPTCHA. Then click on Log In. Next, click on Profile in the menu on the left. Here, you can access your personal information. Then choose the section Password and 2FA at the top of the screen. You will then ready to activate and set up your transaction password. In the first field, choose a transaction password. I suggest you first write it down in your notebook where all your personal data is and keep it safely at home. This transaction password must meet certain criteria. It must contain at least 8 characters, including at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 number, at least 1 special character, and must be different from your password to access your Validus account. In the second field, confirm the transaction password you have chosen. Then, click on Sent OTP, which means one-time password. Go to your email inbox where you will find a message received from Validus support containing the OTP. Transcribe the OTP code in the fourth field. Please note that this OTP is valid for 3 minutes. In the last field, you will place a code provided by your Google Authenticator application on your smartphone. Make sure to choose a code that is still valid. Remember that you have a countdown in front of this code and that each code is valid for 30 seconds. I suggest you take a newly proposed code from your application. When all fields are filled, click on Set Transaction Password to activate the transaction password. Now, you have a transaction password. Do not choose to save it in your password manager. It will overwrite your password to access your Validus account. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next tutorial.